Ladies and gentlemen, we have the designer Guyfawk, Bruno.
Got no head. Yeah.
It's half complete. It's the designer, most expensive Guyfawk we've ever had. Doesn't it look amazing? We tested out some fireworks earlier. They were
shit.
utter shit. The Poundland ones were even better than the ones I spent more money on. Unbelievable. Stay tuned for that. I'm also doing Movember, as you can't tell. My aim is to run a marathon on the treadmill by the end of this month, and also run 14 miles from here to Heathfield along the Cooker Trail. So I'm going to set up a GoFundMe page, and if you guys are kind enough, come and fund me for Movember, and it should be a good fun time.
Good luck.
Yep. But anyway, also I think I need to reward you guys. So at the end of this month, there's going to be a giveaway competition open for a whole month. Okay, a whole month. I'll keep you updated later, like in a couple of weeks, well, next week, with more information about it. But it will definitely be happening. I'll definitely keep uploading. It may not all be abandoned, but the thing is, there's no one. Well, I've got a collab coming up with this girl called Eleanor Bush, but I don't really know. I don't really have many. I haven't really searched up any places to go, like abandoned place was, and the fact that I don't drive yet is a bit of an issue because I can't really get around as much. I've recently moved house. I'm at my mum's, but you know, our new house is quite remote, so getting there is a bit funny. But on the plus side, it's quite cosy. But this house is cosy. But I'm just gibbering on now. I'm gonna play a bit of Skyrim. Ladies and gentlemen, Bruno, the designer Guyfawk. His head got caved in by this fat kid. Dils, watch where you're standing there, because I'll set the firework things up there, so move. Move.
Why?
I said so.
But there's no fireworks here.
Don't care. Yeah guys, my girlfriend's coming in a minute. It's gonna be long. Come on. Oi.
What?
Up there.
No, let him see the thing. Now back up.
We got some cheap fireworks because we are poor. We're poor as hell. Yeah, the fireworks are in the shed. They're in the shed.
Nah. Nah.
Stay tuned for updates. There you go, it's recording now, yeah? Right. Yeah, so good? Wanna come down? Alright, finish that.
Take it
And start filming,
slowly.
yeah? No. Aiden, come here. Aiden.
That's so awkward.
Aiden.
What's your Wi-Fi? Also use up all my data.
Right, go on Sky.
Come on, guys. Get away.
Rhys, mate, your camera kind of bent. Tripod's not good. You got it?
Yeah, I've got it connected. Oh my word.
Rhys, I like how you plugged it in properly.
These are the best.
pound.
Yeah.
Right, and that whole can.
I can.
That was a one-stop one.
I got that right temperature.
Poundland jobby, here we go.
You like the Poundland one?
This is gonna get.
Poundland, we called it Poundland, but we charged you £2. Four of them!
That's nice.
Woo!
I don't think all 4 of them went off though.
Yeah, they did.
Oh my gosh.
Oh shit. That's the best. One stop on that.
What the hell? Yay! This is terrible.
This is.
Hey, come on! How did you play cards with them? Hey, come on! Stand up!
Mum's
One of them
complaining.
still hasn't gone off.
Just throw that in the bonfire.
Is that supposed to be like a flare or some sort?
Yeah, definitely.
Sets off
That's
smoke.
just fire.
That looks like it's gonna explode. What?
That's on fire.
I wonder if the
Oh,
use it to light the other ones.
It's on fire.
Yeah, put it out, Rhys, if I was you, mate.
Babe, your batteries.
That's a flare! That is peg!
It's peng. Your battery's gonna die if we keep recording these.
Peg.
Alright.
That's a bottom.
Look what it looks like on my
That's
phone.
it for now.
On fire!
Oh my god.
Rhys, you can have another cherry.
Hold up.
Hey, one little bro, yeah, this a cut, cold that through the flow.
You know I ain't playing, I'm on my fanny. Tell them Tim, we ready. Fuck up that nigga, we talk about too heavy, I'm body. Chance I'm in that come between. Look at your down, go down, look like they think.
I sent my bitch to the store, cause I'm riding out of soda. Bitch, I'm trying to cut this Yoda. Oh, K47, put up on your ass road, you can't go there. 21 gang, bitch. 21. I think I got a fucking show them.